Walking through the city, everything's slow. Glass turns to honey and sunsets glow. Mirrors in the windows veins in my skin. I see the light and it's shining from within. No shadows, no rush, no time to borrow. I'm floating in a frame made of tomorrow. Golden hour glow, I'm alive in the afterlight. Colors melt and I feel so right. Every breath is a spark, every step is a show. I'm the art of the moment, golden hour glow. Ooh, ooh. Dreams drip down like a tangerine sky. Soft reflections in electric eyes. Everything's magic, everything flows. I'm a river made of light that endlessly grows. No worries, no way I let it all go. Just dancing through my favorite halo. Golden hour glow, I'm alive in the afterlight. Colors melt and I feel so right. My breath is a spark, every step is a show. I'm the art, I'm the moment, golden hour glow. Ooh, 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 golden hour glow. Ooh, ooh. Time slows down, the world's in tune. My heartbeat hums as the sun and the moon. Every face, every sound, it all feels numb, like the universe is singing me home. Golden hour glow, let the daylight kiss my soul. I'm shining words, how I sing grow. Every laugh, every light I know, I'm forever in mine. A golden hour glow, I'm alive in the afterlife. Colors melt and I feel so right. Every breath is spark, every step is a show. I'm the art, I'm the moment, golden hour glow.